for the cat.
You couldn't stop me if I got £1.
Well, hello people. So today I was reading somebody's post about their poor Henry the Hoover dying and them getting a new one, and of course I was like, I have to find a funny gift and post it, and then I couldn't find the perfect one, so I made one and then I tried to make it so I could put it in her comments, and it took forever. I had to download some sort of new app and try and get that to work. It didn't work as well as I wanted to. I did manage to share it, but it wasn't so good. But anyway, here is the my gift that I made. I didn't take that long to do it. I'm quite happy with it, considering I think it took longer to try and get it on the actual site. So I failed. But anyway, yeah, I watched some YouTube videos, but it didn't really help. So it didn't matter. It kind of worked. Anyway, I hope you're all good and have a happy new year. Bye bye, and your Hoovers live long and prosper.